Hello kids, today we'll learn about large numbers, comparing and arranging large numbers. So today we will learn comparing numbers, arranging numbers in ascending and descending order, what is successor and predecessor, forming smallest and greatest number. If we have to compare number, the rule number one is the number with the most number of digits is greater. So in this example, if we have to find which number is greater, we will first see the number of digits in this number. In the first number, there are 5 digits, whereas in the second number, there are 4 digits. Therefore, the first number, which is 39,526, is greater than 8,424, which is the second number. Now, rule number 2 is when the digits in the number are same, then we have to start comparing from the left side and move towards the right side. So if we take this example, there are these two numbers. Both the numbers has 6 digits. So we will start comparing the leftmost digit in this number, which is the lakhs place. So in this first number, the lakhs place is 5. And in the second number, the digit in the lakhs place is 8. So 5 is lesser than 8, which means that the first number is lesser than the second number, or the second number is greater than the first number. Now let's take another example. In this, both these numbers have 6 digits. Then we'll compare the leftmost digit in these two numbers, which is 9, and both these numbers have the same leftmost digit. Then we will move to the right side, which is the 10,000 place of these two numbers. So we will compare the 10,000 place digit in these two numbers. So here in the first number it is digit 3, whereas in the second number it is digit 1. So 3 is greater than 1, which means the first number is greater than the second number. Now we'll solve one word problem. 3,69,874 people travel by train on Sunday, and 3,58,923 people travel by airplane on the same day. Which transport was more used by travelers? To solve this problem, we first need to find what is the question about. So this question is about which transport was more used by travelers. Here more means greater or bigger. So the next step will be we have to find what we have to compare. So in this, the first see how many people travel by train, which is 3,69,874, and the people who travel by airplane are 3,58,923. Now as a next step, we'll check the number of digits in both of these numbers to find which one is greater. So both of these numbers have 6 digits. Now the next step will be to compare the leftmost digit in these two numbers. So in these two numbers, the leftmost digit is 3. Then we will compare the next digit in both of these numbers. So the next digit in the first number is 6, whereas the next digit in the second number is 5. 6 is greater than 5, it means that the first number is greater than the second number. So when we say the first number is greater than the second number, the first number was the number of people who travel by train, and the second number was the number of people who travel by airplane. So this means that the train is used more than airplane by travelers. Now we'll learn about ascending and descending orders. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. So if we arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest order, it means we are arranging them in ascending order. Descending order means arranging the number from greatest to smallest. Now we'll take one example. If we have four numbers and we have to arrange them in ascending or descending order. So the step one will be we'll compare the digits of these numbers. So in this example, the two numbers have 6 digits and two numbers have 5 digits. And the number with 6 digits are greater than the numbers with 5 digits. Now step 2 will be we'll start comparing from the leftmost side of 6 digit number. So in this example, in the first number, the leftmost digit is 4, whereas the leftmost digit for the second number is 5. Since 4 is less than 5, the first number is less than the second number. Now we'll move on to the 5-digit numbers. In the 5-digit numbers also, we'll compare the leftmost digits. In this, the first number has 6 as the leftmost digit, whereas in the second number, 2 is the leftmost digit. Since 6 is greater than 2, the first number is greater than the second one. So now we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So we'll have to arrange this number into smallest to greatest order. The smallest number in this is 23,651. Next is 63,215. After that will come the 6-digit numbers. In the 6-digit numbers, the smallest one is 4,02,365 and the biggest number will be 5,23,691. Now we'll arrange these same numbers from greatest to smallest. So in this, the greater numbers are the one with 6 digits and the smaller numbers are the one with 5 digits. So we'll start with the 6-digit numbers first. Out of the two 6-digit number, the greatest number is 5,23,691. After that, it will be 4,02,365. Then we will move to 5-digit numbers. In the 5-digit number, the greatest one is 63,215 and the smaller one will be 23,651. Now we learn about successor. So successor means the number that comes just after. To calculate successor, we have to add 1 in the number. We'll take an example. We have to find the successor of 99,632. So for that, to find the successor of 99,632, we will add 1 in this number. So this number will become 99,633. Predecessor means the number that comes just before. So to find a predecessor, we have to subtract or minus 1 from the number. If we have to find predecessor of 99,632, we subtract 1 from the number. So if we subtract 1 from 99,632, it will become 99,631. Now we'll learn to write the greatest number using the digits 7, 8, 1, 0, 4 and 9. So if we are given a set of digits and we are asked to find the greatest number using those digits, we will have to write the digits in descending order, which means from largest to smallest. So in this example, write these digits in descending order. It will become 9, 8, 7, 4, 1 and 0. So the greatest number will become 9, 8, 7, 4, 1 and 0. Now if we have to form the smallest number using the digits, we'll take the same example. We'll have to write the digits in ascending order, which means smallest to largest. So when we write the numbers in ascending order, it will become 0, 1, 4, 7, 8 and 9. But if 0 is the smallest digit when we write the number in ascending order, then the 0 will come in the second place. So in this example, 0 and 1 will have to change their positions. So the smallest number will become 1, 0, 4, 7, 8 and 9. So the smallest number is 1,04,789.
If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel.